Whenever a beginner starts learning something related to stock market, they come across two terms, fundamental analysis and technical analysis, and they get confused whether to study fundamental analysis or technical analysis. In this course, I will give small overview about fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. Later you can decide whether to pick fundamental analysis or technical analysis. So basically, fundamentalists are more concerned about companies' management, various products, sales, balance sheet, price to earning ratio, cash flow, debt to equity ratio, etc. Broadly, they are concerned about qualitative as well as quantitative aspects of the company analysis. Whereas technical analysts consider the analysis of the past behavior of the prices to interpret their study. They believe that price contains all the information and it's enough to analyze the price chart. In simple words, technical analysts give more weightage to price, nothing else, whereas fundamental analysts consider many parameters like this to come up with an analysis. Now, fundamental analysis. So it is a method of analysis to determine the intrinsic value of a stock. So experts like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger try to identify the company's value as if they are unlisted with no regard for the price. So buy and sell decisions will be made later by looking at whether the price is overvalued or undervalued compared to the arrived intrinsic value. Basically, fundamentalist collects all the necessary information like P ratio, ROE, market cap, GDP, company management, quarterly results, RBI policy, sector growth, Fed, debt, face value, everything, and they feed this information to the block box. But before, after feeding this information to the block box, their system will give the exact intrinsic value of the company. So a small suggestion, before you begin with an investment using fundamental analysis, ask yourself a question. Do you have any block box which receives all the fundamental information like this and gives a company's intrinsic value? If the answer is no, then how will you decide whether the stock price is overvalued or undervalued, isn't it? Simply debating whether trading or investing, using technical analysis or fundamental analysis is it will not help you in any way. So fundamental analysis is useful for long-term investments, whereas technical analysis is beneficial for short-term trading and timing the entry and exit. Basically, Screener is a good website to get all the information about fundamental analysis. So I will show you the Screener. So basically, this is a website, screener.in is a useful information to collect all the fundamental information about Indian listed companies. For example, if I type Infosys here, it gives all the fundamental related information about Infosys. For example, market cap, current market price, high, low, stock PE ratio, book value. It gives everything. Okay. So in this way, you can analyze. It will also compares with peers. It will give all the information about Infosys, quarterly profits, results, everything. So if you still like fundamental analysis, try to find out or develop a system like this to calculate company's intrinsic value. Otherwise, you can have a look at technical analysis. So basically, unlike fundamental analysis, technical analysis don't doesn't look for any fundamental factors or even for intrinsic value. So it considers only price and sometimes volume are the two essential components. Several indicators have been defined based on the price and volume, which help the beginners and algo traders. So one simple indicator is this moving average. I have plotted two moving average with 9 MA and 20 MA and the price chart. So technical analysts believe that the price discounts everything and all the past, present and future information is reflected in the price.